Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning guys. It's 11:40 a.m. here in Vienna, Austria. And in the Philippines, it's 5:40 p.m. So today guys, dahil kahapon pa ako hindi kumakain guys. So sobrang gutom ko talaga ngayon guys. Kaya nagprito ako ng daing na bangus. So guys, ito yung daing na bangus ko guys. Ang sarap-sarap naman ito guys. Bawi rin yung kinain, yung wala akong kain kahapon, mababawi rin ngayon guys. Kasi, tignan mo naman guys. And yun, may pipino ako salad, coffee, ayan, at may dalawang egg and rice. Napakarami ng rice ko guys. Syempre guys, rice is life. So, 2 eggs. Pero guys, isang beses lang ako kumain sa isang araw. So, eto, dala na to siya guys hanggang dinner. So, kain tayo guys. Babush!